Okay, so last video we took the strut out and we were left. That lives in there and that lives in there. The other side we took out just dropped out, literally. It was really easy. So what we had to do with this just would not come out. Okay, so we heated that up there just using a plumber's torch or a gas torch, and we wriggled it with the mould grips. Bit of a damp cloth with you, just in case the rubber burns, to clamp it out, and we kept putting in this beautiful stuff. In the end it's come out. What we'll do now is clean it up, just shake all the mucks out and reassemble it and show you the final part. So it was literally having to do that. It was that seized in there, and we heated this up with a blowtorch. Watch your CV boot if you're doing it. You put a plumber's mat around it, just protect it if you want. Okay, next part coming soon.